Hey, this is Airdrop Sniper. Today we are going to talk about Portal. Portal is the only custodyless cross-chain infrastructure for native Bitcoin. No, I didn't understand any word of this. But we don't give a shit because we want free airdrop and earn money. Portal is a project led by Coinbase, with investment from OKX. They have successfully raised a total of $42.5 million, which is a strong indicator of its potential. With significant funding from major exchanges, there's a high likelihood that it will be listed on those platforms. Now let's see how to farm points. First, download Portal Wallet. I will leave the link in the description. Once downloaded, create your wallet. Step 2. Go to Portal website and connect your wallet. Step 3. Do all available missions to farm points. Let's do Follow Portal on X missions together. Click on Authorize App. Go back to the website and click on Check. And you're done. Do as many tasks as possible to maximize your rewards. Step 4. Go to their Faucet website and claim your test tokens. We are going to test their testnet. Claim first your test BTC. Copy-paste your BTC address in your Portal wallet and submit. Now copy-paste your Ethereum address and submit. I have received my test BTC token. I am going to swap it into Ethereum. Enter your amount and click on Swap. And that's it. Today's project has massive potential. Arbitrum was a similar case. Just testing a few functions was enough to make $20,000. Earning a year's salary with just a few clicks is absolutely possible. Believe me. For every airdrop distribution updates, follow my Telegram. Also, I have a website where I gathered only airdrop projects backed by best VCs or most credible influencers. So don't hesitate to check it out. Links are in the description.